Hey everyone, getting a plugin load failure in CapCut? Yeah, that error can stop effects and features from working properly. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the CapCut plugin load failure, step by step. First, completely close CapCut and reopen it. So, temporary glitches often cause plugins to fail on the first launch. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, CapCut downloads many plugins from the cloud, and a weak connection can trigger this error. Uh, Open CapCut settings and clear the cache. I mean, corrupted cache files are a very common cause of plugin load failures. Now check for updates. So, older versions sometimes can't load newer plugins properly. Install the latest version if available. Try running CapCut as administrator. Yeah, permission issues can block plugin files from loading correctly. If the error appears only with certain effects, remove and re-download those plugins inside CapCut's effects library, and that's it. Your CapCut plugin load failure should now be fixed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing fixes. Hey everyone.